G'day everyone, welcome to Eden's Secret. Today we're making some soap, and the fragrance we're going to be using today, which I've got back in because it soaps beautifully and it doesn't discolour, which is amazing for a sweet almond and macaron fragrance from Scent Perfect. Anything sweet like that tends to always discolour. We're using Fluorescent Purple 202p from Mineral Makeup Ingredients today, and we're using Blue Green also from Mineral Makeup Ingredients. So we're doing a simple in the pot swirl for the base of the design today. And I am just doing two colours in the base. So let's separate off some of the fluorescent purple. I've already put my fragrance in because I want the fragrance to be distributed evenly right throughout the batch. And I want the body of colour to be the turquoise with the purple swirl. Now it's not really, I mean, I guess it is a purple, but it's a purpley pink. Now we're going to pop the blue green in from Mineral Makeup Ingredients. This we might need quite a bit of, so just going to put 2 heaped teaspoonfuls in there for now. Just scrape any batter off the side and mix it in. And then we're just gonna dispense the purple into there, just haphazardly, anywhere, doesn't matter really. Those two colours look gorgeous together, don't they? I've been forgetting to put a link to the spoons I use in the description box. So today there will be a link to those spoons because I've actually just bought some new ones. They're not here yet. Right, now time to dispense that soap. Okay, so we're going to use 3 nozzles. This one is the Wilton 8B. This one unfortunately doesn't have a number, but you can see it's a closed star. A closed star is where the edges curve into the center. This one doesn't, so this is an open star. and then just a really small circle piping nozzle. So for the top I'm going to add one extra colour, so I'm going to do some Neptune blue in one of them, and then the other two will be the blue green again and the purple. Absolutely soaks beautifully, this fragrance. Although it's a Macaron fragrance, it is quite strong on the cherry. Fantastic colours, aren't they? And I've actually got my heater on because I did some black soap earlier, and it got some soda ash on it, which is something I never get. So I'll put the heating on, just hoping that I don't get any soda ash, so that's why you can hear the boiler in the background. Right, I'm just going to wait for these to thicken, and while I'm doing that, we will we'll get the nozzles into those piping bags.